Hey everyone. Hey, just wanted to show you guys my son and I's project, our train layout that we've been working on now for about a year. Lots of plaster, lots of foam, you name it. But it's kind of a looped figure eight. Comes around, and I know the lighting's kind of terrible in here, but goes around and comes back and up. A little tunnel in there. And it goes around the back side over there. Makes a complete loop back to over there. Got a lot of hours stuck into this thing. But here's a cool little section here. And then that tunnel goes all the way through and then crosses under this upper section over here and comes out right there. This will be our lake, which is quite deep. It's about 4 inches deep from top to bottom. The plan is to layer it and put some structure in there, some deadfall and moss, and if I can find some little fish to layer in there, and then a couple boats, and then this will be like a little campground over here. We'll put a bunch of trees and whatnot, and then somewhere over here, since I'm a fireworks guy, we're going to build little simulated fireworks going off with fiber optics and some LEDs. That should be pretty cool. Yep. And then here I Frenched in my controller, so it just sits in there. I have a little more work to do to that, of course, but yep. Here's some trees I made. Get those in the light so you can see them better. This little guy was sent to me as a sample. It's like a little birch tree, popple tree. Pretty cool. A lot of fun. Yep. Anyway, how I built it was I used 2x2s with a piece of 1/2 inch plywood screwed and glued on top. And then this layer here is a piece of 2-inch pink foam. And then I used these polystyrene graded slopes. It's a kit that you can buy. I use that for all my corners and changing the elevation and whatnot. And underneath here, that's how I built it. Was see how the framing's built, and with that pink styrofoam glued to the plywood, it's really quite rigid. There's about 50 pounds of plaster up there on top. And there's some engines on top of that little cart. Bunch of train stuff. Landscaping stuff. There's the rest of my track I gotta put on. Bunch of other cool stuff here. Let me get this out. Here's something really cool. A G.I. Joe train set. It's missing the playmat, I think, but I picked that up pretty cheap. Kind of a collector's item. Yep. Here's a bunch of our train cars. I think there's about 60 or 70 of them here. We need to sell a bunch of these just to get rid of them. But I do have a bunch of old ones that are still metal. I like them. Those are pretty cool. Oh yeah, here's this is my Mossberg. Let me set this up here. Hopefully I don't wreck nothing. Yeah. It's my Mossberg 535 12 gauge. It's Got the collapsible stock on there. Pistol grip, done in mossy oak, I think. Full choke, fiber optic sights. I can hold, I think it is 6 rounds with one in the chamber. It's a nice little gun. I'd like to sell it though. If I can get a good price for it, then maybe I could buy me a Saga 12. Oh, yeah, here's our SKSs. This one's mine. Got the fold-up stock. That should fit in my pack real nice. It's got the blade bayonet, which is coming off in place of a bipod. I'm going to do the duck billis magazine modification, and I'm going to work on the bolt a little bit so I can change mags without the bolt having to be open. Yep. And then I just got my son this one for his birthday, which is all stock, all original. All numbers match. He really likes it a lot. But I'm thinking he's going to get a Tapco stock. Get the same bipod I'm getting. A shell deflector. Do a red dot scope on it. And of course the magazine mod. Probably have to run some 20 round mags. I hear they're pretty dependable from Tapco. Yeah, what else do I got out here? It's been a while since I've been out here. Oh, a couple boonie hats, ammo, drill. Oh yeah, some of my models I built. These are pretty sweet. Those are completed. Let's check out what's in this box here. Oh yeah. Oh, I see they're a little broke up. Yeah, missing the front wheel off that. That's my 67 Impala. Yep, there's the front wheel that came off it. Here's a, I forget what year that is. I think it's a 65 Nova, 66 Nova. There's a 64 Impala. Ooh, things are fragile. I've been bumped around a lot. There's a 57 Chevy Stepside. Used to love building these things. See, I got some more down here too. Oh yeah, here's the cool ones. But they're all beat up. Yeah, there's a 59 Impala lowrider I built. Let's see here. Here's the cool one right here. This one I really like a lot. See if I can get that in the light a little bit better so you can see it. But there's like 8 different colors of paint on that I sprayed on. Not sure if you can see it or not, but it fades. Let's see if we can get it like that. Get in the sunlight a little bit better. Yep, used to enjoy doing that a lot. Anyway, thanks for watching, and please rate and comment. Talk to you later. Bye.